Hello, welcome back to Katie's channel. Today I want to show you how to get the Cindy Lou Who hair with just two things. You need a water bottle, this is empty, and then a ponytail. So we're going to go ahead and get our hair going. Now what I do first is I start by getting my hair in the front, pulled in the front. So that way it covers the water bottle. You literally just take the water bottle, put it on top of your head, grab your hair, messy bun. Really, this is one of the easier things to do. Okay, perfect, right? Then you just take your bangs or your hair that's not long enough to be up in the Cindy Lou Who look. You could style your bangs however you want to, and you can add in some pretty festive Christmas lights. Look, I got some little hairs back here, that's fine. You can put these up with bobby pins, okay? Easy party stopper. Get the party started. Enjoy the holidays, have fun, be with friends, be with family, and get festive. Thank you for signing in. 12 Days of Christmas. Beautiful Whoville hair, Cindy Lou. Easy. Oh, look at that. You can see the water bottle. What you do? You just move your hair around. Perfect. Look at that. Covered. Thank you. Happy holidays.